Hi kids, how are you? Welcome to my channel Quiz World. IQ questions for kids. Before video started, subscribe my channel and press bell icon, like and share this video. Have you subscribed my channel Quiz World? If not, please do watching more interesting videos. Guess the word by emojis. Guess the word. It's a fishbowl. Guess the word. Amazing, it's turtle. Guess the word. Moonlight, amazing. Guess the word. It's a hot dog. Guess the word. It's a chocolate chip. Guess the word. Nice, it's treehouse. Guess the word. It's cheesecake. Guess the word. It's a raincoat. Guess the word. It's a sunflower. Guess the word. It's tasty Butterfinger. Guess the word. It's birdhouse. Guess the word. It's a toothbrushes. Guess the word. It's ice cream. Guess the word. It's a apple cake. Guess the word. It's eggplant. Guess the word. It's a butterfly. Guess the word. It's seashell. Guess the word. It's a starfish. Guess the word. It's a Japan country. Guess the word. It's a cheese wheel. Guess the word. It's a haunted house. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and press bell icon watching more interesting videos.